Method 1. Wet on wet technique. I wet the desired area with a brush, gently, as if inviting the color to dance. The main thing is to stay within the shape's boundaries, otherwise, the dance quickly turns into a puddle. Then I pick up some paint and apply it to the damp surface. Watch how it begins to flow softly. That's why we love watercolor, it does all the magic on its own, if you let it. Want more intensity? Add more pigment, just don't overdo it. Watercolor doesn't like being forced. Method 2. Wet on dry with soft blending. I start with a dark stroke on dry paper, a confident touch. Then I rinse the brush and use a clean, damp one to gently soften the edges. It's like coffee with milk, strong at first, then gradually smoother. If I need more depth in certain areas, I add a touch of shadow, always with respect for the water and the space. Don't scrub or overwork the paper, like good watercolor, it's sensitive and proud. Method 3. Layering, glazing technique. I start with a dark stroke on dry paper. Once the first layer is completely dry, I apply clean water over it and gently add more color. Then I softly spread it along the edges. It's like placing a silk scarf over a light dress, adding depth, tone, and breath. This is how air, light, and a touch of mystery are born in your painting.
Method 4. Smooth transition between two colors. I apply the first color while it's still wet. Then comes the second one. For example, green and violet. They meet in the middle and either they blend harmoniously or start to argue. If the argument gets too loud, I help them make peace with a bit of water, gently softening the edges. Here's a little secret. Don't rush. Give them time. Watercolor has its own rhythm, not the rhythm of the city, but more like the breath of a forest. Method 5. Textures, salt and water droplets. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle the area with fine salt and let go. Don't touch it, don't blow on it, just wait. After a few minutes, voila! A texture appears like snow crystals or frost on a window. If you have granulating paints, use them. It's like jazz in watercolor. The pigment starts living its own life. Add some salt and you'll get a whole orchestra. Or try dropping a bit of clean water. And a beam of light is born on the paper, like a tiny window to the sky. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments and stay tuned for my upcoming lessons on sacred geometry, where my paintings come to life through watercolor. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a like.